Why is Adobe Media importing failing from cloud storage? Have you ever faced the frustrating issue of Adobe Media importing failing from cloud storage? You are not alone. Many users encounter this problem, and understanding the reasons behind it can help you troubleshoot effectively. Let's break down the common causes and solutions to keep your video production workflows running smoothly. First, let's talk about file type and format issues. Adobe software supports a wide range of media formats, but not every file type works with all Adobe applications. If you try to import a file that is unsupported or corrupted, the import will fail. For instance, some users have reported issues with common formats like portable network graphics or moving picture experts group layer 4. Even if these formats are generally accepted, a damaged file can cause problems. Next, consider cloud storage sync problems. Adobe Creative Cloud Sync can sometimes fail to upload or download files properly. This can happen due to interrupted internet connections or server outages. If you receive an error message saying, "Media failed to upload, please re-upload it," this may indicate a sync issue. It's essential to ensure that your internet connection is stable and that the sync feature is active. Software bugs and cache issues can also lead to import failures. Occasionally, bugs in Adobe applications or corrupted cache files can prevent successful media imports. If you experience persistent errors, try clearing the cache, updating the software to the latest version, or reinstalling the application. Another factor to consider is storage limits and account issues. Although it is less common, reaching your cloud storage limit can block media uploads. Make sure your Adobe account has enough storage space and that you are signed in correctly. However, some users still face import failures despite having ample storage, which suggests other underlying issues. When using Adobe Premiere Pro and similar video editing software, it's important to note how media is linked. Importing media from cloud storage does not copy files into the project folder. It creates references to their locations. If the cloud files are offline, moved, or renamed, Premiere Pro cannot locate them and will show missing media errors. To avoid this, it's often best to download original files locally and relink them within your project. Here are some practical tips for successful media import from cloud storage. Confirm your media files are in supported formats and not corrupted. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and that Adobe Creative Cloud Sync is up to date. Avoid using outdated features like local sync folders. Instead, relying on current Adobe Cloud libraries or direct uploads. If you encounter import errors, clear the cache and restart your Adobe applications. Download cloud media locally and relink files in Premiere Pro projects to prevent missing media issues. Lastly, check your Adobe account storage and sign-in status to rule out access problems. By understanding these common causes and applying these practical steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most Adobe Media importing failures from cloud storage. This will help you maintain a smooth video production workflow and keep your projects on track.